In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Borderlands 3 on PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we can quickly search up this game before we can continue to another website to download it without overpaying, because Steam games can be quite expensive and we don't want to overpay for this game. So go to the Steam website and quickly search it up, and then we will continue to another website. So search for the game Borderlands 3, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is very expensive at Steam, €59.99. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this web page. And what we will do now is search for the same game Borderlands 3, select it, and then go to the left side menu. We will select games, then sort by price lowest first, and as you can see we have a PC version over here which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work, and then you can select the game. And now once we have opened the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €2.24 compared to the Steam price of €59.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online, so definitely take advantage of this. Now once you have purchased this game for just €2.24, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!